Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious cashews milk. We will need 1 cup of cashews. We will cover with water and leave them in the fridge during the night. After the night, you will strain them and wash them. You will notice they have grown. We will use also 4 cups of water. We will mix only with half of the water. The other part we will use after. We will blend them in a hand mixer or normal blender until it is smooth. We will strain with this strainer, especially for vegetables milk. With the remainder water, we will clean our container.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in.
We will get this residue. And this will be the result. I love this cashews milk because it has very nice taste. It's super neutral and you can use for anything you want. It is amazing, especially with my homemade granola. I love it. If you want to know the recipe, just let me know and I will share for you guys.
How's it supposed to feel?